Thank you so much for getting into the course to become a UI UX designer, and this course will change your life. I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iqbal, and let me start with this. If you have ever wanted to become a UI UX designer fast, you are in the right place. This is not just another learn UI UX design course. This is your fast track to success in the design. Now you might wondering why I am so confident. Because I have discovered a clear and simple way to master UI UX design, and I'm here to help you, to walk you through it. No confusion, no overwhelming, just step-by-step system that will help you to become a pro in just few months. Perfect. So you should thanks to Fiverr, because in April 2024, exactly 1 year ago, Fiverr disabled my account. That moment changed everything for me. Trust me, I am very serious. If that didn't happen, I probably would not be here making this course. Let's be honest. If someone is making 5k to 10k every month, they are not thinking about creating a course. They are just focused on their earning, their income and work. But when Fiverr closed my account, I took it as a sign to do something bigger and more meaningful. So that's why I wait 1 year to start this course, because I wanted to plan it properly. I spent the whole year thinking, learning and preparing to make this best course possible for you. You know that time people often ask me, why don't you create multiple accounts on Fiverr? And I told them that no, I believe at taking that account to the top and more to like in millions. Now every account in our family is on the track to hit that level. And I know this is a bit off topic, but I wanted to share what I have been building quietly in the background. Secret to success. Here is a secret technique that changed my life, and it can change yours too. This technique helped me to build a career that earned me hundreds and thousands of dollars, and I know I'm here to share that with you. I will share that technique with you, okay? Trust me, UI UX design can open door to opportunity you have only dreams of: freelancing, big clients, exciting projects and financial freedom. So let me show you my account, since we talk about like hundreds and thousands of dollars. So Fiverr, once they disable your account, they will give you the access to withdraw your funds, and I take a video that time. So let me just quickly show you that video. So this is the video that Fiverr I have recorded that time. So yeah, let me just quickly start the account. And so far, I'm level 2 over here, and these are available in your account by signing into. Once you click the link, you will access the. So this is basically my account, level 2. I was top rated seller, but Fiverr was playing with me. They take my account down. I didn't get a lot of projects, but luckily I have repeated businesses, so they come to me on daily basis on Fiverr, and we are making progress. So let me just quickly show you to the to the page of earning. Yeah, this is the earning page. Let me go to my contact. Let's see my earnings. So luckily I am able to see my earnings over here. So you see these are my almost earning that I have so far. This is the expenses over here. I thanks Fiverr for giving me the opportunity to get into my account. Alright, and why I will be your best mentor. So first thing first, we will not stick to the theory. I will show you step by step how you to become from zero to hero. Okay, so this is a very beginner course. If you don't know anything about design, this course will help you. My support will never be the end of this course. I will support you in this journey along. I will be the one constantly checking your progress and will leaving feedback. Of course, a great community would be this, of course. Wonderful. So most importantly, I want to be honest with. I'm not a tutor or a professional teacher. I am a UI UX designer just like you want it to be. And I'm not a native English speaker. So if I make a few small mistakes while speaking, I hope you won't mind. But one thing that I can promise, when it comes to sharing my knowledge and experience, you will get 110%. You will get 110%. Okay, clear, honest and practical, straight from the real world. Okay, so I will be honest with you. What makes this course different? I will teach you the exact strategies and skill I used to go from beginner to top rated plus designer. You will learn hand-on techniques that will work on the real world. By the end, you won't just know how to design, you will know how to think like a designer, solve problems and wow your clients. One thing that I talk about, like top rated plus designer here, so let me also show you my Upwork account, which is obviously top rated seller plus. Okay, so this is my Upwork account. You can see over here I am top rated seller plus over here. This is my profile. You can go through and check the profile if it's a top rated plus or not, but you can see the badges over here, and this is the achievement. This is obviously a great achievement. Okay, so I hope this part is also clear to you. Now let's get into your future. Your future starts here. Just imagine this: working on an exciting project from anywhere in the world. No office, no boss, just you and your creativity. Now imagine turning that creativity into a real career. A career that not only makes you happy but also pays you really well. And one day you will look back and proudly say, I did it, because you can do it. Because you can do it, and I know. And I'm here to help you, to guide you every step of the way. Wonderful. And I know you will ask me, will AI replace us? This question many people are asking today. But here is the truth. AI will never replace creativity and human insight. AI can help us, but it cannot feel what we feel. It cannot think like us. As a UI UX designer, your creativity, problem solving and unique perspective will always be in demand. AI will only be a tool to enhance your skill, not replace them. So don't worry about being replaced. Instead, use AI to supercharge your design process to become even better at what you do. The future is not about AI replacing us. It's about using AI to work smarter and unlock your new opportunity. And lastly, I promise you this: after completing this course, you will be ready to find a job or internship. You can even start working on freelance project right away. If you can keep practicing, it will lead you to great opportunity in the future. Now think about this. If you don't have a job for 1 to 3 months, how much you are losing? Let's do some quick math here. Even if a basic design job pays you $500 a month, there's $1,500 in 3 months, and many freelance projects pay even more than that. So instead of waiting, why not start now? And if you are already a UI UX designer or freelancer, this course will help you boost your productivity and take your skill to the next level. So what you are waiting for? Let's meet in the course. Thank you.